Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make knuckle eraser soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. In making this knuckle eraser soap, you will need Mekako soap, which is an antiseptic soap. It prevents and fades dark spots, acne, pimples, eczema, blackheads. It lightens the skin and eliminates body odor. You need CAROTONE soap, which whitens the skin. It fades dark spots, acne. It unifies the skin complexion and loss small. You need distilled water to help dissolve the soap. You need peeling oil, which is a chemical solution that improves and smoothens the texture of the skin by removing its damaged outer layers. It helps in lightening dark areas of the skin very fast. You need fragrance to give your soap a nice smell, and you need rubbing alcohol to help take out the bubbles from your soap before solidifying. So firstly, you grate one Mekako and CAROTONE soap inside a bowl. Then you boil small quantity of distilled water, and after boiling, you add it into the soap to soften it a little. But make sure the water you're adding is not too much. After which, you add 1 teaspoon of peeling oil. You can also make use of miracle oil in place of the peeling oil. Then you mix. After mixing, you add 1 teaspoon of your fragrance. Then you put the soap into your microwave to melt. While it's in the microwave, be sure to check every 2 minutes to know when it is completely melted. You can also do your double boiler method to melt it. After it is completely melted, you pour it into your soap mold and spray your rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles. Then keep it in a cool place to dry naturally, or you put it in a fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes. So after it's completely dry, you take it out from the soap mold and place it on a plain plate, after which you set it aside for about 4 days before using. This knuckle soap is super effective. It works very fast in fading dark knuckles. If you have really dark stubborn knuckles, you want to try out this recipe. To use this soap, you first wet the soap, then you apply it on the affected area and leave for about 5 minutes before washing off. You then dry your hands and apply your dark knuckle cream. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.